Whitney.
And I'm Marissa.
And this is Rudy.
Today we're going to show you how to look for signs of ear infections in your dog and how to clean ears and use some of the most commonly prescribed medications.
Remember, if you suspect an ear infection in your pet, you should first call your veterinarian. The medications and techniques we're using today should only be used if instructed by your veterinarian.
You should check your pet's ears regularly and clean them whenever you notice they're dirty. You should also watch out for signs of infection, which include inflammation, excess wax, or a particularly stinky smell. All right, so we're gonna take a quick look in Rudy's ears, and of course he isn't gonna cooperate well, but he doesn't have a whole ton in there, but you can kind of see right here there's a little bit of wax. So we're gonna go in there and clean that out today, but it doesn't look like anything's major to worry about. So today we're going to use a ear cleaning solution that we got from the vet, and then we won't be using this because he doesn't have an infection, but this is just a commonly prescribed medication for if they do have an infection. And then here we have some cotton balls to clean out with. Alright, so I'm going to start by just grabbing a handful of cotton balls, and I'm going to soak them in the solution. Squeeze them out a little bit so they're not sopping wet. And then we're going to take one and come over here. Alright, so it's important to be very gentle, especially if your dog does have an infection in their ear because their ears are very sensitive. We're just going to take one of the moistened cotton balls, go in there and swish around a little bit, and then bring it out. And his ears aren't very dirty, so there isn't a lot. But you'll do that a few times until you notice that you're not really getting anything else out. And then we'll be good in that ear. So we'll be done with that ear now, and we'll turn him around. All right, so now we're gonna do the same thing with this ear. And I do wanna mention that if you have a dog like a poodle, a schnauzer, or anything else that grows hair in its ear really well, you'll wanna make sure that you have a groomer or a vet pull that hair out for you before you clean. If they don't keep on top of that, that helps them or can make them get infections easier or faster. So he doesn't really have a lot, so we're just gonna go in here this one more time. And really his ears are pretty clean, but you can see I got a little bit out. So then we're all set with him. If we were going to put medication in his ears, we would do it now, but obviously he doesn't need it, so we won't. But this is something we would commonly prescribe, and it would just be a generous squeeze in there, and then you can massage it in.
So thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments below, or if you have any suggestions for our next video of a how-to, you can also leave that in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.